Sicon Cashflow is aimed at businesses requiring a summary of their short to mid-term cash position based on their real-time Sage 200 data. Delivered via an easy-to-use drag-and-drop spreadsheet-style view of selected company data, users can incorporate a variety of transaction types from Sage 200 that are likely to affect the cash position, creating a day-by-day summary balance. The module allows you to design a structure to pull cash movements from standard Sage modules and Sicon add-on modules. The cash flow structure pulls information from bank accounts, sales ledger, purchase ledger, sales and purchase orders, nominal budgets, and manual ad hoc income and expenditure entries. In addition, VAT, due, to claim, contract information from Sicon contracts, and application and retentions from Sicon construction can be incorporated. Sicon Cashflow is an intelligent product which not only provides the ability to show an invoice due date based on agreed terms, but can be enabled to calculate this on the individual client payment habits. Using the drag and drop feature to adjust the transactions in the Cashflow interface allows a user to reflect expected cash impact without amending the due dates and promise dates manually. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Cashflow is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects alongside Microsoft technologies for the user interface. Real-time data availability. Users can choose to view the information by day, week or month, alongside the 4 different levels of detail. Selecting one of these will display only the relevant sales, purchase and cash book accounts alongside transactions converted to that currency. Easy to use. A user-friendly interface displays relevant cash-related information held within Sage 200 in a simple-to-understand format, with the benefit of being able to manipulate transaction dates to reflect expected movements. Key benefits. User-friendly interface that displays relevant cash-related information held within Sage 200 in a simple-to-understand format. Updates to standard Sage sales and purchase transactions are immediately reflected in the Cashflow solution, with users further able to manipulate transaction dates to reflect expected movements. Information can be easily exported to Microsoft Excel for those wanting to manipulate the data further. Nominal cash budgets allow for a simple reflection of anticipated recurring costs, for example, monthly salaries, whilst ad hoc income and expenditure items can be added to accounts for unbudgeted items. Can be used to assist credit control by adding and reviewing existing invoice memos, as well as flagging potential bad debt. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.